Hi, welcome to G-Force Performance Products. My name's Bill and I'm here to tell you a little bit about some of our performance transmission crossmembers for the Chevy S10 and the GMC S15. Now these crossmembers are going to allow you to put any transmission you want into your pickup truck. That is your S10 and your S15 from 1982 to 2005. If you want, you can drop in a Turbo 350, a Muncie, a Power Glide, Saginaw, BorgWarner T10, Super T10, and if that's not enough for you, you can use this one and put in the Tremec 6-speed, the new one, the TR6060, or the performance model, the Magnum XL and the Magnum XL T56. And if automatics is more your choice, then we certainly have them for you to put in the big powerful automatic like a 4L80, a 4L85, 4L60, and of course the 4L60E. Anytime you want a crossmember, I urge you to check out G-Force Performance Products. You can go to our website, download our digital catalog, look at all of the offerings we have, all of the applications that we have, not only for S10s, but for many others. GForcePerformanceProducts.com.